This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Mary Ross Ellsworth. Second floor primary suite west/wet bar, refrigerator, balcony and 3 additional bedrooms and 2 full baths. The frog/flex room complete the second level. Walk-up attic. First floor offers office west/side entry and fireplace. Open floor plan. Chef's kitchen with oversized center island, stainless steel appliances and sub-zero fridge. Engineered white oak wood wide plank floors throughout the 5th level. Community pier, with gazebo, canoes you can check out. This riverfront, golf course, resort-style community offers amenities you love right here. Golf, volleyball, swimming pools, clubhouse, waterfront parks, playgrounds, miles of walking and biking trails, and a full-time activities director offer year-round fun for the whole family. This community is conveniently located in Northern Suffolk West/easy access to I-664. Minutes to all military bases. Love golf or like to watch it? This is your home. For more information, review the details below.